Hello, my students. Today we are going to talk about a new topic for the second unit. Its name is A Nice Time for an Application. So it's a time to start a new unit. Let's find more about the big picture and purpose first. It's very important to know what is the key concept. The key concept. Did you hear this word before? What does it mean? What does it mean by development? Especially, what could it mean in design? So this is very important to know. MYP Unit Planner, you have to learn all about this concepts. The key concept, what is the key concept here in this unit? What are the related concepts? And what is the global context? So it's very important to learn and to discover the meaning of each part. The key concept here in this unit is development. And the related concepts here are innovation and form. The global context in this unit is scientific and technical innovation, all about systems, models, methods, products, processes, and solutions. So we should link between all of these concepts to produce this statement. Statement of inquiry, it's very important. We have to learn it together during the unit. It's about innovative development in computer system, and the solutions can serve as a form of expression. And it's very important to start our unit to talk about or to discuss these factual questions, inquiry. Some here, you find some here, you will find some inquiry questions. The first one, what is meant by computer program? What is computer programming? What is Java? And what tools could be used with Java programming language? Or how can I develop computer software? Students should answer all these questions at the first. So, in general, development. What does it mean? Development in act or process of growth, progress, or evolution, improvements. Sometimes it's called about it's specific improvements. So what does it mean specific in for design? Development in design, all ideas need refinement through development to become successful, appropriate for and visible. The development of solution allow problems to be solved with greater success, even though the name suggests that the main focus of development would be found in developing ideas. Students have to develop research plans. They also need to adapt it and change it when it's need during the creation solution. So, related concept here is innovation and form. Have you heard this concept before? If so, when? What does it mean by innovation? What's mean by form? How might we can use this concept in design, especially? Okay, so innovation. Innovation is a successful diffusion of the invention into marketplace. Can you think of examples of how designers use innovation and forms? What does it mean, forms? Forms concerned with all over shapes and configuration of products, all related to aspects of shapes and the colors and texture. You should learn more about innovation and form. It's very important to discuss it together. Then the third part is global context, scientific and technical innovation. It's about systems, models, methods, products, processes, and solutions. It's very important to know to answer this question. How do we understand the world in which we live? Students will explore the natural world and its laws, the interactions between peoples and the natural world, how humans use their understanding of scientific principles, and the impact of scientific and technological advances in communities and environments. So the impact of environments of human activity, how humans adapt environment to their needs. It's very important to answer these questions. Why it's this important to me, and why it's important to my community, and why it's important to the world. You should answer all these questions. Next, after we link all the key concept and related concept and the global context together, then we will produce this statement of inquiry. Innovative development in computer systems and solutions can serve as a form of expressions. How could this statement relate related to design? How could it be used in other contexts? Think about these questions. Then the title of the unit is Nice Time for an Application. Everyone or everybody needs to learn computer programming skills. It's very important to innovate and to create, to improve the solutions for global problems. So the programming is very important also in our daily life to enhance or to increase the power of computers and the internet. Programming is very important for speeding up the input and output processes in machines. So Java, as a powerful programming tool, elements of computer programming provided interactive experience as its important platform for personal artist expressions. So during this unit, students will follow the design cycle to create some computer programs to develop set of assigned tasks. Students will investigate and study elements of computer program like inputs, outputs, variables, operators, conditionals, and loops, logical structures. But all students should follow design cycle to produce any product, as we learned before. So at the end, this is the big picture, putting all together. We should put it all together, the key concept, related concept, and the global context to produce this statement of inquiry. Here, our key concept is development. We should learn more about development, especially in design. Second, related concepts are innovation and form. We should know more about innovation. We should learn what is innovation in design and what does it mean, what form it means. Global context is scientific and technical innovation like models, processes, systems, solutions. Then this statement of inquiry will help us to learn more in this unit, and we'll find out more information to produce our computer program. Thank you so much.